Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a new product for the 3rd gen Camaro. More specifically, this new product is for 85 to 92 Camaros. Now, it is a new custom product made by a man named Seth. He started his own little business doing this now, called Starbuck Innovative Designs. I will have the website and his Instagram linked down below for you guys if you guys are interested. But this is a front blinker assembly. It is an LED strip, and it is also pass-through or vented. So the top third of the front housing is an LED strip. The bottom 2/3 is a vent that allows air to pass through, and then you hook this hose up to it, and you can run it to your brake calipers or to your engine bay or anything like that. He kind of designed it for the brakes, so you can vent your brakes. I am going to personally run mine into the engine bay straight to my intake filters, because I have a dual intake and I want to run each one of these vents to each one of those filters, so it's literally the freshest air I can get straight to the intake. So I'll be doing an install video next. Today's video is going to be a first look, up close and personal look, so you guys can see the details in it, the specs. I'll share as much information with you guys as possible, and if you guys are interested, those links will be down below for you guys. But I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. If you guys enjoy, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this. These are the 85 to 92 Camaro vented turn signals from Starbuck Innovative Designs. Once again, like I stated in the intro, I will have the website and Instagram linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. These are kind of like a one-off, kind of a special thing to set your car apart from all of the other 3rd gens out there. It's something small and subtle, yet very unique and still very noticeable. So basically, it just replaces your stock front turn signal assembly or parking light assembly with a more functional, more up-to-date light and more functionality to it. So when you order these, you can either select it to be the switchback lighting in here, to be orange, or it's white, and then when you turn on the blinker it turns orange, or you can just get the amber version, and then you can get it with the black mesh or silver mesh. And then with these 3rd gens, when you start upgrading the blinkers and stuff to LEDs, you need to upgrade your flashers for the blinkers, which are located under the dash. I also have a video for that, so if you guys don't know how to do that, I will have a video on my channel of how to upgrade to LED flashers. But you can select whether or not maybe you've already upgraded to LED flashers, then you can get the kit without, or you can select to get the flashers included as well. So that is a nice touch. So some of the information on the site says these lights feature a bright LED strip in them to create an appearance seen on most modern vehicles. It's definitely going to allow drivers to see your car a little bit better, so that is a plus, because I don't want anyone missing my car. They also feature a 3-inch outlet on the back side. I'll show that close up to you guys in just one second. This allows air to flow in through the mesh portion, and then there's also some tubing that comes with this. If you order the tubing with it, you don't have to. You could just leave it or just buy this by itself. And then depending on LED availability, the light strips are either sourced from Diode Dynamics or Retrofit Source, which are both really good brands when it comes to looking into LEDs. If you're ever buying LEDs for something and you want a good quality LED, those are two very well-known, very high-quality LED places to get LEDs. I've gotten a lot from Diode Dynamics, and they make some fantastic stuff. They are made to order, so when you place your order, there is a waiting process. And right now it says due to initial demand and build time, it is currently 6 to 8 weeks. No big deal, at least for me. These assemblies right here run $375, and then you can also get, and this is included with the kit, this is more of the hardware, the actual plug and everything for the LEDs. So when he first started making these, you would have to cut the plug off of your assembly up front, and you would basically connect the wires from this adapter to the wiring on your car. Well, he has now stepped up his game even more, and he has already pre-wired everything, so it is literally plug and play. So he is doing a great job with this. I'm really glad he created these, because the idea of it is just genius. The quality that he's gone to make these what they are is very well thought out and very well done. So I give him complete props for this. I know he's just plugging away at this because they are becoming more and more popular. So I would definitely get them while you can. Not saying he's going to stop making them, but you never know if these things start pumping out, you may have a longer wait time, or prices may go up. Right now he's doing pretty good with the stock coming back in, but who knows, with everything going on in the world, what the stock on LEDs or stock on materials may be. So it's a good idea, if you are interested, to get them as soon as you can. But like I said, this is all one kit, and then you can also get, for another $125, this kit. So hopefully you can see this. It comes with 2 of these hoses here, and all of your necessary hose clamps. So with this, it is 3D printed nylon carbon fiber blend, and it is 3D printed air outlets. You got some elbows here. You have this bracket here that has a couple of holes in it, so you can self-tapper this, and this is meant to be mounted sideways, and then this would turn into your brake calipers in order to cool your brakes. I'm going to set mine up like this inside of my fender well to actually blow fresh air into my engine bay up to my air filters. So stay tuned for that video, where we'll be kind of custom installing these to supply fresh air to the engine bay. And then you also get 3-inch hose clamps, and then you get 2 18-inch pieces of 3-inch all-star brake duct hose rated for 300 degrees. This kit is designed to fit every wheel, tire, and brake combination. Test fitted with 315 wide front tires on 18 by 11 wheels. So this is just the brake duct kit. So you have this flexible hose here that's rated up to 300 degrees. Very heavy duty stuff. You can definitely tell this is a very good quality, very, very durable. So you get a couple of those. You get the self-tappers for your elbows, and then you can rotate these however you want, depending on what side you're mounting it on. But once again, stay tuned for the video where I install these, and I'll show you what I'm doing with mine. And then your hose clamps. So that's all part of the secondary package, which is $125. And then back to this, I'll show you a real quick close-up. So here is my old, I wouldn't say stock, but it's a stock replacement, but it's got the smoked lens. So as far as weight, I'd say they're roughly the same. I'd say the lens on this definitely adds some weight to it compared to these, but here you can just kind of see he's done a really good job designing this, just the shape of it, integrating that 3-inch outlet. You can kind of see through there. And then I'm not sure you'll be able to see it, but inside there is no access to the LED. It is enclosed. So basically this is a 2-piece assembly. You have the main assembly here, and then you have the front plate, which clips on the sides, and then it is sealed shut, so it is weather resistant. And basically that's protecting, not only is it protecting the LED and keeping it enclosed, so when air or anything else passes through here, it can't make contact with the LED. But this front plate also holds in this cover as well as the mesh, and once again this comes in black or gray. Then you do have a nice thick plastic material, much thicker than the stock plastic. He did a really good job with the bracing and design on this. stainless steel hardware. And then as far as the supply for the LED, you do have a sheathing over the wiring. It is adhesive heat shrink for weather resistance, and then a nice 2-pin connector. So overall, a very good job designing this, and it is just 3D printed. There may be small defects in it, but these are paintable. You can prime them and paint them, no big deal. I actually like the look of them now, and really you're only going to see the face. I'm not too sure I would even worry about painting them. I think for 3D printing, they actually came out very, very clean. So I'm very impressed with these. But once again, stay tuned, and I'm really glad that he got this set up for plug and play. So there's literally no wiring necessary. You mount this box, plug this into the old light socket, and connect it to your LED strip, bolt it in, and you're good to go. So I can't say enough good things. This is a really well thought out, really well put together. A lot of thought and effort went into these. So once again, Seth, thank you so much for everything you did with these. It's definitely a one-off item that I really believe is going to be very popular. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and once again, stay tuned for the video of the install on these LED vented lights. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.